Okay, so for a problem like this, you've got to look at a few things. One of them is you can see that some of them have 31.5x and some of them have 42x. So which one should actually go with x? Okay, so make sure to look that up so you can eliminate some of your answers, because it does tell you what x and y both stand for, right? It says x is the number of tickets for the lower deck and y is the number of tickets for the upper deck. So that should help you determine which one should go with the x and which number should go with the y. But then you also have to look, am I going to use less than or equal to, like the top two, or is it going to be greater than, like the bottom two? Okay, the word you're looking for is this bottom one. It says which someone can buy for no more than $800. So remember, guys, it's not saying more than $800. It's saying no more than. So think about what the opposite of more is. The opposite of more is less. And so if we don't want more than $800, we want either less than, or we could have exactly 800. We just know we don't want more than 800. So less than is good, or equal to. Okay? Good luck with that question.